add fuel to the fire. This idiom means to make a bad situation even worse. Imagine a fire already burning and someone adds more wood or gasoline. The fire becomes bigger and hotter. That's exactly what this idiom describes in conversations or problems. The meaning of add fuel to the fire is simple. It means to make a bad situation even worse. When something is already problematic, this action or words make the trouble grow larger, just like adding fuel makes a real fire burn stronger. This idiom comes from how real fires work. Adding fuel like wood or gasoline to a burning fire makes it burn hotter and brighter. The expression uses this fire image to describe any situation where adding more action makes problems worse instead of better. Example 1. Arguing on social media will add fuel to the fire. When people already disagree online, jumping into the argument makes everyone angrier. The disagreement grows bigger, just like adding fuel to flames. Example 2. Leaking the email chain only added fuel to the fire. A private email argument was already tense. Sharing those emails publicly made everyone much angrier and the conflict worse. Example 3. Parents were angry about bad grades. Seeing him drunk added fuel to the fire. The parents' anger about poor school results became much stronger when they discovered alcohol involved too. Key takeaway: use add fuel to the fire when someone makes a bad situation worse. This idiom perfectly describes actions or words that increase trouble instead of solving problems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.